Today we're gonna refinish this deck and take it from looking like this to this. We'll have to do the railing and skirt right here, stairs, and then we've got all this railing to do as well. Let's do this.
Flex that muscle.
Watch out for the curb there.
Oh gosh, there's a step right there. But did you die?
Huh?
This is light.
This is one of the few times you've helped me carry things.
What?
Nothing, I said good job.
What did you say?
I said this is one of the few times you've helped me carry things, and now I know why. You're so very awkward. Just figuring out how to stack the chairs.
What?
I didn't say anything.
Are you making fun of me?
A little bit. Something just fell off the chair, and I'm trying not to be dripped on.
But did you die? Hercules, Hercules. All right, we got a clean slate. Now we have to do the prep work.
All right, choose your weapon.
We're gonna clean the deck, scrape, just checking to see if there are any screw heads or nail heads sticking up so that we can rectify that. You start on that side, I'll start on this side.
Good plan, I like it.
You know, like a broom would help.
There's a broom in the back of the car.
So this deck was built a couple of years ago. It has never been finished. So this is pressure treated wood that has been able to dry out completely. So it makes it the perfect candidate for DuroGrit. I don't see anything sticking up.
I've had a few I've just bumped.
Did you find some?
Yeah, they weren't really up. They were just, I just bumped them down.
Yeah.
I think we're good.
Yeah, I think we're good. This deck was built pretty well.
On to the next.
This deck is about 600 square feet, but once you factor in the railings, the posts, the skirting, the total coverage area goes up significantly.
See how the water is soaking right in? It's not beading up at all. This deck is ready for a coat of something to protect it.
All right, before any product goes down, the wood needs to be cleaned. So we pressure washed the deck and got some of that grit and grime off. We pressure washed the deck. Now we're gonna use Rubio Monocoat's exterior wood cleaner to clean the deck. This gets rid of gray discoloration, green deposits, and dirt. So we're gonna wet the deck down with some water, pour this in a bucket, and then use a scrub brush to scrub the deck to remove all that dirt. We poured the exterior wood cleaner into a bucket and applied it directly to the deck using a scrub brush to scrub in the direction of the wood grain. Now it'll start to foam. That means it's working. Once the wood is clean, we just rinsed off the cleaner until all the foam was gone. Then after we cleaned the deck, we noticed that the wood grain had raised a bit, so we rented a floor sander from the Home Depot to knock the grain back down before applying the finish. Today we're going to be staining and protecting this deck with Rubio Monocoat's DuroGrit. This is a water-soluble oil that penetrates down into the wood. So instead of like a polyurethane where it lays on top of the wood, it'll bond to the existing wood fibers. Rubio calls this fiber grit technology. So there's added wood fibers to give the oil this unique structure that will help bond to the wood and penetrate down deep into it to really protect it. DuroGrit is designed for any kind of exterior wood surface. It's a stain and sealer in one that protects the wood from UV rays, moisture, dirt, and other outdoor elements. It also contains a fungicide to prevent the growth of mildew. On hot sunny days like today, we are also using the open time extender. We're gonna add this to the DuroGrit. It extends the dry time of DuroGrit, so we have a little bit more time to work with it before it dries. Because DuroGrit penetrates into the wood, it allows the wood to still breathe, so the finish won't crack, peel, or flake off over time. We're using DuroGrit in the color Rocky Umber. DuroGrit comes in a bunch of different colors. We chose this one. Whenever you have multiple cans of the same color like this, you want to mix all of those cans together to ensure the most consistent, even color. Looks like baby poop. Oh, look at that fiber grit technology. There's actual wood fibers in there. Interesting. All right, we're just checking the moisture reading on the wood.
So when it says low, it means it's under 5%.
Yeah. DuroGrit can be applied with a brush, roller, or even sprayed on. We used a brush because it gave us the most control. You want to use a high-quality, water-soluble nylon brush. You want to maintain a wet edge just to make it blend in as much as possible so you don't have lap lines.
Good job, babe. That's one side of one board done. Only a little bit more left to do.
Also, you want to do the entire length of the board, so don't stop in the middle. 1 or 2 boards at a time. DuroGrit dries to the touch in about 1 to 3 hours and takes about 3 days to fully cure. I'm guessing this is going to wipe off of the metal.
How does that look?
We finished the railing. Today, we are staining the deck. That guy was waving.
Oh, that's fine.
He thought that you were waving at him. Got this hole for the brush, but I don't know if I want to use it. I may just do this by hand because I have a lot more control.
She always wants more control.
True. This brush is not working. It's hard, so I gotta get a different brush, I think. All right, here's my favorite part. You only need 1 coat, which is a huge time and effort saver. Here is our progress. We've got half the deck almost done. Gotta get more product spurting all around here. Still a lot to go, but we're getting there. Product is really easy to work with. DuroGrit covers about 80 to 150 square feet per liter, depending on how thirsty your wood is, and on this weathered, pressure-treated wood, it was definitely drinking it in. We are back to finish this deck job. We had to wait because it rained for like 10 straight days, so now that we've got a dry window of time, we can finish off this deck, so let's go.
If you want to go and get that board along the wall,
Okay.
That would be a good usage of your small brush.
Color is so pretty. I think it's like the perfect medium tone brown. These birds are like chattering at us.
Yeah.
They're like,
Haha, we're gonna poop right on your brand new finished deck.
all right, we finished the other side there. This has been done. It's looking pretty good. That part is dry. This is drying today, so looks good. It's been a few days. The deck has been curing, and now this is what it looks like. Bird poop and all.
What?
Somebody clean that up. So that's it. This is an easy weekend project, and DuroGrit was so great to work with. I love that the consistency is thicker, more like a paint versus watery like a stain, because I found that I had better control and better coverage. I mean, look at it. It's gorgeous. It's pretty impressive. Every outdoor deck needs maintenance, so it's a good idea to check it once a year. On horizontal surfaces, DuroGrit will last 1 to 2 years before you need a maintenance coat, and on vertical surfaces, you're looking at 3 to 5 years. If you find that you do need to reapply, you don't have to sand it back down to bare wood. You can just clean the deck with exterior wood cleaner and then reapply the DuroGrit, and you'll find you won't need as much as you did as when you applied it to the bare wood. The deck looks so good, and DuroGrit was so easy to work with. Thanks so much for watching this video. Okay, love you, bye!